Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Upwork account. To do this is pretty easy. Click your click your account on the upper right hand side and go down to the account settings. And under this section, you want to click on membership settings on the left hand side. Here you will see it shows your current plan, and to upgrade, just simply click upgrade membership, and you can choose between the different memberships that they have. As you can see, they have the marketplace, they have the business plus, and they have the enterprise, and both comes with different features and different perks. Let's put it like that. So you can easily choose whichever one you want. For example, if you want the business plus, you can select this plan and proceed. You see all what you get with it. You can click on this drop down here to compare plans more, so you can scroll down and now compare each and every features in details to see what comes between the three plans, so you know exactly which one is right for you, if to see if the free one works just fine, or you definitely need to upgrade to business, right? And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.